Hey, how's it going? Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2018 Ford Raptor. It's a nice truck. This has got 92,000 miles, clean Carfax, Oxford white. It's got a set of XD series wheels. Those are 20-inch wheels with the 37-inch tires. This truck does have a lift kit, 4-inch lift kit. It does have Borla exhaust and a cold air intake. Rear bumper's nice. It's got the spray and bed liner. It does have the 802A package, B&O sound, remote start, trailer backup assist, all the goodies. It does have pano roof. It does have the graphics package. It does have the technology package with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping and all of that. 360 cameras. Pretty loaded up with everything you could get on these. It's in good shape. Really well serviced. You can look at the Carfax. I think there's a little ding right here. Interior's pretty nice. It is 92,000 miles, so it's not perfect, but the seat's in good shape. A little bit of a tear right there. That's really all for the interior. There's a little bit of wear right here. Pano roof is good. No warning lights on or anything inside. Truck sounds great. That Borla exhaust sounds really, really nice. Got the all-weather mats in there. This back seat doesn't look like anybody's even been back here. Doesn't look like it was used. Cool truck, sounds good. Good service records. Clean Carfax. Drives great, good tires. Come check it out. We can ship it to you anywhere in the country. I can do long distance deals remotely, over email. We can do paperwork. I can work with your bank. Cash deals are easy too. So we got a 2018 Raptor, 92,000 miles, got some nice tasteful mods to it. Runs good, drives good, sounds good. Give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon. We will respond quickly. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also catch us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. A couple little rock chips here, nothing crazy. Tiny little rock chips. Overall, this truck is in a very good condition. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.